everybody, we're back, and today I'm sorry we couldn't do what we're supposed to do, is show my cards, but I will open this box, and then I'm gonna show my cards through, and then let's open this box, and then we're gonna see if I'm gonna show you my cards. Okay guys, let's get into opening the box. Hi guys, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell, and please let me hit 1 million subscribers at the end of the year. Okay guys, these are the packs we have. So we have these packs, and we have these other packs. So, hey, wait, not Mom, you joined the video, Mom. Okay, she doesn't want to join the video, but what's up guys? So, let me show you what we have. So right now we have these cards, okay? We have these packs. And then we have these cards that we're gonna give away to one of you guys. And we're gonna get into this box right now. So we're gonna start with the celebration pack. Looks like we might pull something out of this thing. Okay, Groudon, Tapu Koko, and Mew. First pack. So we have this. Boom. Reverse. Then we go in to this pack. I swear to God, there was no rare in that one. So let's move on to this one. Hopefully, guys, we get a rare. If you don't get a rare, you guys don't need to subscribe. Like come on, guys. Come on. We got a birthday Pikachu, 1995. Wow, first rare. Put that on the side. Wow, what a legend. I don't think I saw anybody on YouTube who did that yet. So I think, yeah, guys, you know I made a world record today, so please subscribe. I actually did, but my mom doesn't know that I did actually. The rare, and we got Zacian D. I want to give out all of these cards to one of you guys, and tell me your phone number, and we will send you these cards. And if I pull the Charizard, we need to get 10,000 likes on this video. 10,000 likes. Guys, let's do the 3, 2, 1 challenge of subscribing. 3, 2, 1. Now, did you subscribe? Well, good luck. Did you subscribe? Okay. Okay guys, now we're gonna move on to the last celebration pack. This has to have something like a Venusaur in it. Doesn't? Bad luck for us. But don't be sad, because I'm gonna give away one of these cards to you guys. Don't worry guys. Don't worry, you still have some packs Don't. We got two. We got the Cleffa. Mom, we got the Cleffa in the party, and we got the Pikachu.
Make sure you show them properly in the camera.
We got these two in one pack. Wow. Now, moving on to these packs. Celebean first. I know. Pretty funny, huh? Pretty funny. It's gonna have like a bunch of stuff like come on guys, like we gotta get like come on guys, like can we get to like 1 million likes at the end of the year? Can you wait? Hey guys, can you wait real quick? Okay, wait. Okay guys, now we're gonna move on to this. Okay, we can pull something like a golden in this pack. Oh my god, scared me. I'm sorry guys, but we might not get anything in this pack. Reverse and nothing. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Have a great life. You guys, see you tomorrow.